All right, fellas, we're going to make an awesome dessert here. Chocolate dipped strawberries. Lads, you can have this any time of the year. Particularly handy, however, for Valentine's Day. Trust me on that one. Or a birthday of hers. So, what has to happen here? It's quite simple. You just need two ingredients, strawberries and chocolate. But this is going to take the longest period of time to get done. It's washing and drying the strawberries. You have to do them individually, and make sure when you buy the strawberries you buy ripe ones but not overripe ones. And lads, trust me on this, make sure you dry the strawberries properly. Don't half-arse it, because if you want the job to fuck up, you're going to start dipping wet strawberries into chocolate and the whole lot is going to go to concrete and it's going to go to shite, and you'll be like, why the fuck did I even bother this? And trust me, wet chocolate, warm wet chocolate and strawberries, disaster. Things you're going to need, you're going to need a baking tray, a saucepan and a bowl. Now I forgot to get like greaseproof paper or baking paper, so I had to run to the supermarket to get that. Make sure you have that. It's necessary. It's necessary. So put a sheet of that out on your baking tray, and that's going to make sense in a while. Now what we have to do is the fun part. We have to boil a kettle and put some water in the bottom of the saucepan to basically make a boiler. I think that's what they call it. I'm not quite too sure. Because what we're going to do is melt down this bad boy, a full bar of dairy milk. So, put some hot water into the bottom of the saucepan. Then you're going to put your glass bowl into the hot water. This is preventing the chocolate from burning when you're melting it, pretty much. I think you can do it in the microwave and other ways, but this is the way I've learned to do it, and it works well. So put in all your chocolate and start melting it down. This may take a while, but don't rush it. Keep adjusting the heat, and remember, do not let water get in there. Trust me, if water gets in there, it goes to shit. See that consistency? That's what you want. Perfect. Now dip your strawberries. This chocolate will start to harden real fucking quick. So we don't want to rush this, but we don't want to be taking our time either. Because trust me, when it comes to the last few strawberries, which you'll see, you're dipping them into concrete at that stage. But right now, the heat is still on underneath, so the water's still warm. Therefore, you're getting a nice coat of chocolate over the strawberries. I like to leave a little bit of red at the top. It just looks good. Just looks good. Now, also, if you're not a fan of milk chocolate, you can also do this with dark chocolate. So notice now the way the chocolate has gone. It's starting to harden up. So the last few strawberries, you struggle. So see, it's gone tarry, because that's what happens to chocolate when you put water into it. It goes tarry like concrete, not so good. So you can see the first few looked fantastic, and now these last few just look retarded. That's it, boys. That's what you do to set yourself up for a romantic dessert. Now you just need to pop these into the fridge so they'll harden. They'll probably take about an hour, maybe 2 hours max, but then they're good to go. And this is the best part. Now, now you get to put them into a special box. Or in my case, we get to use the greaseproof paper again and a lunchbox. And so now we just plate them up, put them in, and we store them. I was making these for a Valentine's Day picnic, and I put them into this box and then into the fridge later on just to keep them. And let me tell you, lads, they taste the tits. These are only 30 calories per strawberry as well, by the way. So it's not that high in calories. But if you're going to eat all 26 strawberries, of course, the calories are going to creep up real fucking quick. But, lads, simple dessert, real easy. Your missus is going to love you for it. Here, this is me hiding it in the bottom of the fridge so my missus wouldn't see. And she didn't. I kept it a secret, so that was fantastic. But lads, it's a simple one. It's a great one. If you haven't tried it before, definitely try it. And a little bit of a secret is get some double cream. Now you're talking. Giddy up.